captured villains, but all of them have escaped. The bird and his team are ready to fight. Catman, if you're out there, please listen. The bird, Flower Lady, Mr. Heat, Hypno, Green Face, and the Freeze have all escaped from jail. The bird's team. Catman, save us. In the deep dark lair of the Catman, it is just in that villains have escaped from Arkham Asylum. I'm sick of this channel. Click. Pizzas are now on sale at Pizza Hut. Yay! Catman, did you hear the news? Yes, I did. Pepperoni pizzas are on sale at Pizza Hut. No, not pepperoni pizzas. Who cares about them? The Birds team has escaped from jail. Oh, I thought it was pepperoni pizzas. To the Catmobile. Hurry up, Catman. Okay. Well, Boy Wonder, get on your motorcycle and let's get rolling. Beep. 2 hours later. The Freeze, I should have known. Looks like we're in a heap of trouble. Hey, Boy Wonder, I'm going to throw a Catarang at him. Oh my. The one that explode? Yes, the ones that explode. He's going to be very mad. He's undefeatable. You never say that. He is undefeatable. He has a very powerful suit, and he can only lose health if we punch him 1,000 times. Which means that bomb will still do nothing. It's worth a try. Ready, and throw! Told ya. I know. Boy Wonder, are you okay? Didn't even hit me, goodness. Hey, what are those pieces for? You know, Boy Wonder, I think they're pieces to know where they are at the end. Whatever. I think it's too late for running away, Catman. We're out with Mr. Heat. Undefeatable. Oh no, he's gonna hit us with his heat gun. Duck! Ah! They are now dead. That's impossible. Yes, it is possible for the Catman.
Part 2, coming soon.